Before we begin disassembling our Phoenix Drake, we want to make absolutely certain the gun is completely clear and unloaded, and that there is no live ammunition anywhere in the workspace. In order to take the slide off the frame, line up the notches at the rear of the gun, and then take your punch on the ejection side of the gun and push the takedown pin out towards the support side of the gun. Then pull the slide forward off the frame and set the frame aside. To take down the slide assembly, start by pressing down on the recoil spring plug and rotate the barrel bushing a quarter turn to the left or right. Then you'll be able to freely take out the plug and remove the guide rod and spring. Then remove the barrel bushing itself and pull the barrel out of the bottom of the slide, and we have successfully disassembled the Phoenix Drake. Now putting your Drake back together is just as simple as it was to take it apart. Start with the slide and insert the barrel. Next, replace the bushing, sliding it over the muzzle into the front of the slide. Be sure to keep it rotated to the side to make room for the recoil spring and guide rod. Then replace the plug through the front of the slide, pushing down on the recoil spring slightly while you rotate the bushing back into place. With the slide assembly completely put back together, grab your frame and carefully line up the slide with the frame and move it completely to the rear. Then with your dominant hand, line up the notches at the rear of the gun, just like you did when you took it down. Then grab the takedown pin and line it up with the holes on the side of the frame and carefully slide it into place. You'll know it's correctly installed when it fits flush against the side of the frame. Now function check the double action trigger press, then the reset holding the trigger to the rear, and the single action trigger press. And now our Phoenix Drake is completely reassembled and ready for the range.